Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. It's finally time to install and upgrade our bump stops. We have the factory ones that came on the truck, and they are next to trash. I mean, they are like this thin, they do nothing, and they're hard as a rock, and they're terrible. So I got some new ones sent to me from Bumps. Let me show you those. Got these sent over from Bumps. They're not quite on the market yet. They're still working on them. This will be part of their R&D. But we got some for the front. We got some nice ones for the back. Let me show you what the front ones look like currently. Well, a little bit of mud on here. But those are the current ones. And these are the ones that we're putting on. So should be a lot better and give us a little more cushion. There we go. All right, let's see. I'm assuming there's a bolt on the bottom of the let's see, there should be a bolt down here. Yeah, right down there. So let's grab us a socket. All right, so I'm going to assume the bolt that is in there now is the same size as the one that Durobump sent me. So we'll start there, see if we can find the right socket size. Yahtzee. Break that loose. All right, so here's the one we just took off. All right, that's the one that comes stock on the truck. Again, there's the ones we're putting on, so quite a bit different. So let me show you where the first ones went at. There you go. Looks good. So we'll do the other side. So the footage you just watched was filmed yesterday. I wanted to take the truck with the new bump stops on off-road to test them out, and I was not disappointed. Here is that footage now.
Just a little bit passenger. Good. You in high or low?
I'm in high. I'll pull you out. It probably won't take much.
Shouldn't take much. My locker's in and stuff.
Well, boys, we almost made it. Got pretty close. We are pretty much sunk. Kevin's gonna line up and pull us out. Well, now we know this one might be on the list of it's kind of deep, so things change out here. I don't know who came out here and rutted it out, but you must have had like 40s or something, because I'm sunk, buddy. Man, these bump stops have been great. I've been hitting some of these washboard roads and some other areas that I know there's a big dip or a big bump, and this thing just eats it right up. I should have done this a long time ago. I didn't realize how big of a difference they made, and these are really, really nice. So very happy with those. I'm gonna see if I can get you guys some pictures and some videos of the bump stop working. So let's see. All right, let's see where we want to be at. I'm probably going to come down, just come down this one. We'll try to hit that angle. It'll be no problem. Degrees. I think we drug a little bit on the back, but not too bad. That thing's getting steeper for sure, because I've done that one before, but it's definitely got a little bit steeper. They all get steeper. All right, boys, we are back from the trails. I tried to show you some video of the bump stops working, but I found out that's pretty difficult to do while driving. I'm not Steven Spielberg over here, so let me give you a close-up real quick. But the stops themselves did great. I mean, it drove like a totally different truck. I couldn't believe it. I still don't believe it. And they're not even available yet. They're still doing R&D on these bump stops, so I don't know how long it'll take before they're out, but as soon as I know, I'll let you know. But the truck did really well, and it's coming together nicely. I got a surprise coming in store. I'm going to be going around this area. That'll be here hopefully in a couple weeks, but let me show you what I already got. Man, we got just absolutely caked in mud. Couldn't see out of the window, can't see out of the rearview mirror. Let me see. I'll go around the other side. As you guys saw in the video, YANKUM strap did great. You get you one of those. We got us a winch, boys. We got us a 9,500 pound winch. buddy of mine had that on his Jeep that he traded in, and when he traded it in, he kept the winch. He's never used it. When he got the Jeep, it came with that winch, and when he got rid of it, he kept it. So anyway, no one's ever used it, either him or me. So but it was free, so what are you gonna do? And I got a bumper that should be coming here shortly. You guys are going to be really excited to see that. We'll get the bumper put on, we'll get the winch put on. I got some lights that are going on the front, and then I've got some really cool content coming out you guys are really going to enjoy. We're going to get back out, do some more exploring, and not so much pointless, you know, trail riding like we do now, which is fun. Don't get me wrong, it's fun, but the channel started with me getting out there and wanting to do some more real exploring and camping, and that's what I plan to do. And we're going to get back up to the mountains. And all that said, I want to have a winch on the front, so she's coming along. She is coming along. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check the description for a bunch of links to our four-wheel drive adventure Facebook page. There's a group there, so if you guys want to get in on the conversation, if I go out, if I know ahead of time and I'm going out for a ride, I'll post in there if you guys want to meet up with me or ride with me. If you guys have any builds of your own, looking for questions and looking for answers on different things, you can post that there. There'll be a 10% off code for YANKUM ropes. You guys go on there, get anything you want. It's 10% off. Use the code. And yeah, there'll be a couple other links there too. But anyway, we'll see you guys next time.